Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Tesla. The report was first published on our website January 5, 2022, but this is a more detailed version which also includes some fundamental data you need to know. In this 7 to 10 minute long video we give you the information you need to know about Tesla for the upcoming trading day on Thursday 6th, like support and resistance levels, signals, chart analysis, price to earnings ratios, and possible trading levels. Make sure you watch the entire report so you don't miss out on some key information needed for your trading. Please remember to subscribe so we can continue to grow and give you these free videos. Make sure to hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new video. Now just sit back, relax, listen and watch the screen as we will show you some interesting data as we move along with the report. In this section you will get some information about the current Tesla performance to better understand where the stock is right now. In our systems, the Tesla stock currently holds a -0.150 score, and our system has ranked Tesla buy or hold candidate since December 23, 2021. In this period the stock has so far done better than what our systems expected and had a gain of 1.98%. This is an average return of 0.22% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Tesla, our last headline reads, "Very red day for Tesla stock price after -5.35% fall in Wednesday trading session." The Tesla stock price fell by -5.35% on the last day, Wednesday, January 5, 2022, from $1,149.59 to $1,088.12, and has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the day the stock fluctuated 8.26% from a day low at $1.81.01 to a day high of $1.170.34. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 15.94% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -7 million shares and in total, 26 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $28.33 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1,243.49, and the lowest price was $539.49. Right now the price is 12.49%, or $155.37, below 52-week high at $1,243.49, which also is all-time high for the stock. The Tesla stock trends, predictions and analyst ratings. Soon we will give you the analyst ratings for the stock, but first the trends. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 15.36% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -1.17% and 43.18%. The 12-month trend indicates a 34.79% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -4.49% and 59.29%. This equals a price between $1.39.27 and $1.733.31 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. On Wednesday, January 5, 2022, Mizuho set target to $950 to $1,300. On Wednesday, January 5, 2022, Mizuho set target to $950 to $1,300. On Wednesday, January 5, 2022, Barclays set target to $300 to $325. On Wednesday, January 5, 2022, Barclays set target to $300 to $325. On Tuesday, January 4, 2022, Credit Suisse Group set target to $830. From analysts, Tesla stock received a general strong buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Tesla stock a neutral rating. In this section, we will give you some information about signals found for Tesla. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. The Tesla stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $1.105.61. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $1.56.45. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence, divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, November 4, 2021, and so far it has fallen -11.53%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence, divergence holds a buy signal. Pivots gave a sell signal 43 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 6 days. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a buy signal 113 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 112 days. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Tesla. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.24.86 and $1.23.50. There is natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Tesla finds support just below today's level at $1.24.86. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.23.50 and $1.18.43. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $89.33 between high and low, or 8.26%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.64%. The stock has a beta of 1.99. This tells us that Tesla is 0.99 times more volatile than the market. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Tesla. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Tesla currently has a price-earning ratio of 332.90. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Next upcoming earnings report for Q4 2021 is expected to be released Jan 25, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $1.92. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Tesla meets first resistance at $109.03. If you do not hold Tesla shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Tesla finds first level of support at $1.24.86, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. Other levels you should watch based on the famous Fibonacci model are: buy at $1.79.03, $1.57.95, $1.23.83. Sell at $1.147.28, $1.168.36, $1.202.49. The average ratings, combined from several analyst sources for Tesla, is strong buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Musk Elon, whom have bought and sold 1,585,981 shares or options in the company. Please go to our webpage at StockInvest.us to find more details about the trades. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -20.939. In total, the insiders bought 3,662,847 and sold 5,632,652 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $1.25.01, -5.80%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 42 days ago. Is Tesla stock a buy? Tesla holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Thursday, 6th, we expect Tesla to open up $25.04 and start trading at $1.113.16. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.